No, it's not. The system is a modular conception, and this means it can be flat packed into groups very easily into the back of an estate car, into a crate or into a box. Therefore, transportation isn't a problem. Also, we have come up with the tower store, which is basically a storage unit, which means the components can be quickly and easily stored in this unit, and because it has forklift points on it, it can be moved easily around the factory or the warehouse. And because it is lockable, the equipment can be audited and secure from people borrowing it, for example, or anything like that. The LOBO product, therefore, is a flat pack product, and which means that transportation, storage and assembly is very easy.